Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to disable AI mode on your Google Chrome web search. So basically if you'll search anything on your Google, so it will automatically showing the AI overview as you can see. So if you want to disable it, what you have to do is simply you need to click on this three dot button on your Google Chrome and go to settings. From the left side you have to click on search engine. Now click on manage search engine and site settings. Now over here you will see site search. Simply click on add name. You can type anything. I will type over here Google web, or you can type anything. On shortcut you can type anything, and on URL you have to put this URL over here. Okay, so now click on add. Now as you can see, the Google web is showing over here. Simply just to make it default, select the default option. So after done, if you'll search anything on Google, so it is not showing. So now whenever you search anything on your Chrome browser, it will automatically open Google search and switch to web filter to show the search without any AI overview. It doesn't actually disable AI mode at Google's end. It's just a web filter that AI content never reach on your screen, so Google still technically generate AI content for your queries. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.